In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to WordPress. We're going to move through HubSpot's settings to find the official HubSpot for WordPress integration and grab the plugin you'll need. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct HubSpot account with the right permissions, ideally as an admin, so you can access integrations and the app marketplace without interruptions. Start in your HubSpot portal and click the settings gear icon, usually found near the top of the screen. This is your central hub for account configuration, so everything we need will be just a few clicks away. In the left sidebar, look for integrations. This section is where HubSpot manages connections to other platforms and tools, so it's the right place to initiate our pitch, a WordPress connection. Next, open connected apps. Here you can see anything that's already installed, and more importantly, you'll find the link to discover new apps. Go ahead and select Go to App Marketplace. The Marketplace is HubSpot's curated directory of integrations, and using it helps ensure you're installing the official, supported solution rather than a lookalike. Once the Marketplace opens, use the search bar and type WordPress. You should see the HubSpot for WordPress listing appear. Click that listing. This is the official plugin that brings HubSpot's CRM, forms, live chat, email marketing, and analytics into your WordPress site. On the listing page, review the details if you like. Checking the publisher and permissions is a good habit, then click Install. HubSpot may prompt you to approve access or confirm which account you are installing to. Accept the requested permissions and make sure you've selected the correct account if you have more than one. This step links the integration to your HubSpot account and prepares everything for use with your site. After that, you'll see a download option that takes you to the official WordPress plugin page for HubSpot. Click Download to get the plugin package. Saving the file from the trusted WordPress directory ensures you have the latest stable version that's compatible with your site. Keep the file in an easy-to-find location so you're ready for the next part of your setup. A few quick tips as you wrap up here. If you run into permission errors, double-check your user role in HubSpot. If the marketplace page doesn't load properly, try disabling pop-up blockers or refreshing your session, and always confirm you're in the right HubSpot account before installing so your data ends up in the correct place. That's it. You've navigated HubSpot settings, found the official WordPress integration, installed it to your HubSpot account, and downloaded the plugin you'll use with your site. You're set for a smooth connection.